Welcome to the Cloud 2 version of TimeMoto. Logging into TimeMoto is quick and easy. Enter your email address and password. If this is your first time signing in, simply just click on the Sign Up button to get started. Let's take a look and navigate around an employee's profile. Employees have strict requirements to be added to the system. Where there is an asterisk, it means that this information is mandatory. If you are a web user or a mobile user, you will need an email address to be provided. The device ID number cannot be changed, as this is set up by the system. However, you can change the PIN number. There are two employee number areas. The first can be used for an employee ID. In the second employee number box, you can use this for any text, for example, has a heavy goods vehicle license. The badge number box is for the RFID cards or key fobs. If you know the number, you can add it in here, and then it will automatically sync to the device. You only pay for active employees. If your subscription amount is for 50 employees and more, you can have 150 on here, and 100 of those can be set as inactive. Therefore, if you have agency staff or staff that will not be staying on for long, you can set them as inactive. Pay template is to do with the monetary value for the hours. That does not have to be selected, but we'll cover this in more detail soon. Schedule. If you are using the Essential plan, you will not have access to the planner. You can just add a single schedule that is permanently applied to that person. Hourly rate. You can add the employee's hourly rate here. You can also set them up with a pay template. If you are adding an hourly rate, you can still do a payment report, but it will not calculate over time at different rates. I will explain pay templates in more detail in another video. The holiday profile is for how many days a year they can book off. Click on Emergency Team Member to allow the profile to have access to a fire roll call on the mobile app. This shows what department they are part of, what locations they can access. Privileges. This shows what privilege level they are. A user is a standard employee that clocks in and clocks out. There are a few restricted levels that you can choose from. Fully restricted means they can only run reports and have visibility of their own records. Assigned departments will allow the employee to have visibility of everyone in the same department. Assigned locations will allow the employee to have visibility of everyone in the same specified locations. All employees gives the employee total visibility for all employees. The next level up from user is unit supervisor. The best way to explain this is like an area manager. You can select managing departments and managing locations. Then we have the manager, the overseer of everything. There are no restrictions for this level. The system allows you to track and monitor various aspects related to employee absences, including holidays, time off, and any leave requests. It provides information on their holiday balance and FlexiBank, which indicates how much holiday they have accumulated and how many additional hours they need to work to earn more vacation time. Additionally, the system maintains a balance history that provides a detailed record of their accrued holidays over time. This enables you to efficiently manage and keep track of employee absences and vacation entitlements. To access more helpful videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and show your support by liking the content.